Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. Welcome back. We just looked at a CELPIP writing task 1 email. If you need more time to read the full model answer, please pause the video now. This email successfully completed all parts of the task. It was written for the community center manager to book a room for an event. First, the email provided clear details about the event, like the date and time. It then explained why the event is important for new immigrants and the community, fulfilling the second point. Finally, it clearly asked about room availability and booking fees, addressing the third requirement. Notice the organization of the email. It starts with a clear greeting and states its purpose in the opening sentence. The body paragraphs address each point in a logical way. The tone is formal and respectful, which is perfect for writing to a community center manager. The writer used simple but effective linking words. For example, first, then, and finally, help guide the reader. Also, words like inquire and diverse are good examples of slightly higher level vocabulary. These stretch words show a wider range of English ability. A good tip for beginners is to always use the bullet points as a checklist. Make sure every point is clearly addressed in your email. This ensures you cover all the requirements of the task. Let's review this CELPIP Writing Task 2 response. If you need more time to read the answer, please pause the video now. This answer successfully states its choice and provides clear reasons. It chose option A, focusing on public transportation. For example, it explains that better public transit helps the environment, and good public transportation is essential for many people. The response is well organized with a clear introduction that states the choice, body paragraphs that develop the reasons, and a brief conclusion. The tone is semi-formal and thoughtful, which is appropriate for a survey response to the City Council. Notice the simple yet effective linking words used. Firstly, secondly, and therefore help guide the reader through the arguments. The words significantly and essential are good examples of slightly higher level vocabulary. These stretch words show a wider range of English ability without being too complex for the target level. A helpful tip for beginners is to always use the survey options as a basis for your main ideas. Choose one option clearly and then brainstorm 2 or 3 strong reasons to support it. Make sure each reason is developed with at least 1 or 2 sentences of explanation. Now let's look at another strong CELPIP Writing Task 2 response. If you need more time to read this answer, please pause the video now. This answer clearly states its choice for option B and provides good reasons to support it. For example, it explains that better roads mean smoother and faster travel, and investing in roads can improve safety for all road users. The response follows a clear structure with an introduction stating the choice, body paragraphs that explain the reasons, and a short conclusion. The tone is suitable for a survey response, being direct and respectful, which is appropriate for communicating with the City Council. The answer uses simple linking words like firstly, secondly, and furthermore to connect ideas clearly and smoothly. The words practical and crucial are good examples of B2 level vocabulary. These stretch words add strength to the writing without being overly complex for the target level. A key tip for this task is to ensure your opinion is consistent throughout the response. Don't switch sides, and always support your main point with clear examples or explanations. This shows you can develop your ideas logically and comprehensively.